If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to SHIB update today. And we're looking at SHIB at the monthly because the new month has already started, and the new month looks to be starting off with a bang. So 1st December is upon us, and we're looking for SHIB at the moment to make some moves to the downside, move sideways like this. Very clear bear flag right there. And I suppose that SHIB is looking to go from a technical target from there to there. Breaking out of the flag really takes it all the way down to 380 or something like that. So basically one can expect this one to drop big time all the way to the downside for nearly a 60% move coming up for SHIB. So the question still remains, is this going to be the bottom for SHIB, or are we going to continue even lower? Now that's a little bit difficult to answer the question, but when time comes we're going to see. Now it's 1st of December, the new month is opened up, and this is how the new month just started off. We have 30 days, 11 hours to close right over there. But it seems like by the time of Christmas and the New Year, I don't think we're gonna have any good opportunity with the coin itself. Actually, let's dive into the smaller time frame as well, and let's look at the smaller time frame right over there. All right, so at the moment we do have some little bit of a pattern here forming up for SHIB. Again, an inverse head and shoulder. Well, the last time we created this inverse head and shoulder, it actually pumped pretty nice. So this was the left shoulder, we got a head, we got a right shoulder right there. Now all I want to do is actually try to figure out where the this is going to be lying off here for the neckline. So this is probably the neckline we're looking forward to, and I do actually want to see SHIB breaking out of that neckline, go to 974, backtest the neckline here, and we are looking for a next technical target to go from the top here to the bottom right there, and we could be looking for a technical target all the way up to 1075, which is going to be a price increase of this following. We could actually see a 13% move up before the next move to the downside as well. And there's actually maybe potentially an untapped liquidity up in this zone, so maybe they can actually push the prices a little bit higher to take the stop losses that are placed right over there, or maybe even placed right over here before moving lower. But it all depends if they can actually decide to break above this this neckline. Just because you have an inverse head and shoulder doesn't guarantee you it's going to go up. Yeah, but you actually go step by step. If you break the neckline, backtest the neckline, boom, that's the journey to go up there. Now keep in mind, we don't want to lose 875, because losing 875 is going to destroy the whole right shoulder, and this whole pattern is going to be terminated, and it's not going to be in play. At the moment it's not even in play, it's just in the formation, it's just forming up. If it breaks out and backtest, then it's going to be in play. Then if effect of this inverse head and shoulder is going to play out. Now it's quite possible for this to happen, that you actually move up, because you have been down a little bit. So just go back up and then continue lower with the downtrend. So that's pretty much it for this update. Be very careful, December can be ugly as well as far as I'm concerned on the monthly time frame, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.